Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WP Forms in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, then Add New and search for WP Forms. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll see a new WP Forms menu item. Click on it to begin creating your first form. This process is straightforward and sets the foundation for all your form needs. Now let's build a form. Click Add New under the WP Forms menu. You can select a template like a simple contact form or start from scratch. The drag and drop builder makes adding fields easy. Just click and drag elements like name, email, or message fields onto your form. Remember to customize each field setting, such as making it a required entry to fit your specific needs. Save your form often. After building your form, it's time to configure its settings. Go to the Settings tab within the Form Builder. Here, you can change the form's name and description. Crucially, set up email notifications so you receive an alert whenever someone submits the form. You can also customize the confirmation message users see after submitting, ensuring a smooth experience. These steps are vital for effective form management. Finally, let's get your form live. WP Forms provides a shortcode you can copy and paste into any page or post on your WordPress site. Just create a new page or edit an existing one, then paste the shortcode. For more advanced functionality, explore features like conditional logic to show or hide fields based on user input, or integrate payment gateways. Don't forget to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. This makes your forms powerful and dynamic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.